Sorry, y'all. Ugh.
Hey, I got a question for y'all. I know we're sitting here playing Resident Evil demo, but who is waiting for WWE 23 to hit in 30 minutes?
Exactly.
We are! Yeah!
Yep.
Yep.
Hey,
WWE 23 with John Cena on the front of it. I feel like they should have put Stone Cold Steve Austin on it.
He already had a showcase.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Well, they should have put
Triple H should have been on there. I don't know.
Rey Mysterio.
He was on there last year.
Oh. See, that
Alright.
just shows how much I know about wrestling.
Yeah.
They should have put Ric Flair on it. Legends. WWE 23 Legends is what they should have called it. Or they could,
Oh shoot.
they could have put Undertaker on.
He might have had a showcase. I forget. I don't know.
Or they could have put the whole NWO on
They
the
did
front
that
cover.
already.
Oh my god. I'm messing it up. Okay,
You gotta pay attention now.
I'm gonna
because
shut up.
Now they're telling me how to shoot, and I'm scared because this is PC. I gotta press both the right and left to shoot. All right, let's leave.
If I play this, I'll get frustrated. I will get frustrated, y'all.
what was that?
I will get frustrated if I play this with this. I'll be on here cussing, and then guess what will happen? I say screw it, close the computer, I'll roll out.
We don't give up on this channel.
No, we don't.
This channel does horror a lot. We're gonna do that. That's what we do. I hear stuff. I hear stuff. I can't turn around. Hey! 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 Get him off! Get him off! Get him off!
You got really tricky.
No
Oh
fucking
my
way.
gosh! Shoot! How you shoot?
Get out! There you go.
Hey!
Hit him in the neck. There you go.
I'm gonna have to. I'm sorry.
Smash him. Smash him. There you go.
Are you dead?
Oh, he hit tab. Where's tab?
Oof.
There you go.
Tab is what? How did you do that? Okay.
I don't know. I hit tab.
All right. Let's get out of
I'm the one over here talking about not using the keyboard, and I'm hitting up the
Oh
inventory.
my god. Okay. Close is this.
Oh no, that's, get your you need some
Wait.
you need some spray. Your first aid. Oh, hold on. There you go. Use. There you go, boogie. And then get your gun.
Oh, I have it already. Okay.
Oh, okay. So how do you shoot the gun though?
My screen is missing. Okay, close. Okay, I see. But I'm sure it was still recording, so it don't even matter.
Yeah.
Because I didn't
Hey,
press my
excuse me,
camera
guys.
button.
I gotta step away for a second.
I hear them. They talking about me. They flying against me.
Up to y'all.
Oh!
I'm gonna step away for a second, and I'll be right back. Keep playing, okay?
Can I just make a straight shot? Got to make a straight shot. God. How you run? How you run? How you run? How you run? Shift, shift, shift. Yep, shift. Get the freak out of here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why can't you just open the door? Okay. Leon. Bruh. Go home.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Hunnigan! Hey, girl!
It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
OMG!
Things happen to the people here.
Guys,
My escorts are.
I don't know how many of y'all like football. I don't know how many of y'all like watching football, but I just saw
Talk
some
later.
news right here. Dan Snyder has left the building. Washington Commanders
Cell phone.
sale to new owners are imminent. There you go. Right here. He finally sold the team. Hallelujah. Yeah, man. You don't know how happy I am about that. Back to Resident Evil.
Robert.
Hercules.
Okay. That bridge sounds like it's gonna fall down. I'm hearing voices. Oh, we get to save? Oh, no, we don't. This is just a demo.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, boy.
And then,
Get up.
oh, so it means that, like, okay, yeah. You can't save, right? But then if you get killed, you gotta start all the way over again.
Yeah. Or maybe to a certain checkpoint that they save you automatically. I don't know. I don't know how that works. Oh, I hear them. They coming.
What are you at? Show yourselves. Oh, there they go. They're gonna come right there. Yep.
I'm already having a hard time shooting, but it's all good. We gotta learn.
Try again. If at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. There you go, you got a bucket right there.
I'm gonna have to run, honestly, because I'm having a hard time. We're gonna have a straight shot. Just run. Oh, they noticed me!
Oh,
Oh!
get him! Get that shit out of his ass. Right. Oh, you gotta get two?
Oh my goodness. I'm about to die. Alright, that was it for this video. I'm sorry. We will see you in the next video.
Alright, y'all. Alright.
Peace.
And if y'all are football fans, Dan Snyder has just sold the team. No more Commanders. We got a new owner.
So do me a
Peace.
favor. Subscribe, share, like, comment.
Hit us
and-
up.
Yep.
We talk back.
Yep. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.